Fast travel charger with both USB-A and USB-C rapid charging technology. Fast travel charger with normal USB-A and rapid charging USB-C. Quick charger with dual USB-A fast and normal charging. Now let's unbox our 3 chargers. Now, let's see what's in the box. Surge protection, temperature management, and other advanced features are all part of our patented Multi-Protect safety system, which ensures ultimate protection for you and your devices. It adapts a high-quality energy management IC and PD protocol, which instantly recognizes the charging device and wisely distributes the current. The charger has safe, quick, and long-lasting charging without causing damage to the battery. Dual fast charging ports are supported at the same time while you charge. The charger adapts high-quality energy management IC and PD protocol, automatically identify the charging device, and distribute the current intelligently. The charger is safe, fast and durably charged without damaging the battery. It supports PD fast charging protocol, which support iPhone and Android fast charging protocol. It has a pure copper and nickel plated plug which owns a higher conductivity. The charger is designed for easy carrying and has Quick Charge 3.0 technology. It effectively improves the charging voltage of the charger. It has dual USB ports which are fast charging and QC 3.0 with intelligent identification and charging technology which would provide 30-watt maximum output for your devices. It intelligently recognizes the internal charging management IC of mobile phone, tablet, PC and other portable power supply devices. Order these chargers through Carrefour online or call us at 0423244747. All the links would be listed in the description box below.